Hello everyone, we are Xianghe Inflatable Products Factory, a company dedicated to the design and manufacturing of a wide range of inflatable structures. Our expertise includes everything from custom inflatable tents to various other inflatable products tailored to meet our clients' unique needs. For every custom inflatable tent ordered by our clients, we follow a comprehensive and rigorous testing process to ensure the highest quality. This includes fully inflating the tent to check for any air leaks and ensure airtightness. We also meticulously measure the dimensions to confirm that they meet our specification and check the air pressure to ensure the tent will perform optimally in various conditions. In this video, we showcase our thorough processes of inflating, deflating, and packaging the tent. You'll see how we manage each step with care, highlighting our commitment to quality and precision in every product we create. If you have any inflatable products that require customization, whether for events, advertising, or any other purpose, please do not hesitate to contact us at Xianghe. We are here to help you bring your ideas to life.